The software testing lifecycle, STLC, is a series of steps that software developers follow to ensure that software applications are thoroughly tested before release. Here is an overview of the software testing lifecycle. Requirement analysis. In this phase, testers analyze the requirements of the software application to understand what needs to be tested and how it should be tested. Test planning. In this phase, testers create a detailed test plan that outlines the scope of testing, the types of tests that will be performed, the testing schedule, and the resources required for testing. Test case development. In this phase, testers create test cases based on the requirements of the software application. Test cases define the inputs, expected outputs, and the steps required to perform the tests. Test environment setup. In this phase, testers set up the testing environment to ensure that the application can be tested in an environment that is similar to the production environment. Test execution. In this phase, testers execute the test cases that have been developed in the previous phase. The results of the tests are recorded and any defects found are reported to the development team. Defect tracking. In this phase, testers track the defects that have been found and report them to the development team. The development team then fixes the defects and returns the software to the testing team for further testing. Test closure. In this phase, testers prepare a final report that summarizes the testing activities, the defects found, and the quality of the software application. The final report is presented to the stakeholders and the software is released for production. The software testing lifecycle ensures that the software application is thoroughly tested before release, which helps to minimize the risk of defects and improve the quality of the software. By following a standardized testing process, software developers can ensure that their applications meet the needs of their users and are reliable, efficient, and free of errors.